2019 Toyota 86 GT. He brought it in 2019 when he first bought it. It had an NVIDIA system put on. We put it on for him. And now he brought it back. He said he wants it louder. So it's got the factory converter up there. It's a catback system, it was. And then what we did is we cut the resonator off right there and put a 2.5-inch pipe in its place, then continued the 2 1/4. Then we did the muffler delete and put 2 1/4 pipe in its place. There and there. And guess what else we did? 5-inch blue flame tips. And honestly, they fit it perfectly. They fit that gap perfectly. So if you want to put them, you want to put those 5-inch angle cut blue flames, they look really nice on it. Just completes the whole look. There's the victims that we cut off. The 2 mufflers and the resonator. Right there, NVIDIA. So we'll see what she sounds like now. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if we can find these tips, we'll put you a link in the description for them. Oh, it's loud. Oh my gosh. Sound doesn't. Again? Wow, 124. Again? His neighbor's gonna hate him. Sorry guys. That is loud. Wow. Listen to that idle. Go ahead. It's so loud, bro. Do you hear how loud it is?
Yeah,
Yeah, 124 on the decibels. That's louder than a jet, bro. Oh my god, my ears. It made my ears hurt. Seriously.
You were just saying, imagine the clothes start.
Let you guys hear on the inside. GT86 Toyota. Those tips though are perfect, dude. I just got them. This is the first set we actually put on. I had them special ordered.